Have you ever wondered how your phone knows where to load a website from, or how a message travels across the world and still reaches you? Behind the scenes of everything we do on the internet, there's something quietly working all the time, an IP address. Today, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. No hybrid words, just clear understanding. So, what is an IP address? Think of an IP address as your home address, but for the internet. Just like your house needs an address so mail can reach you, every device connected to the internet needs an address so data knows where to go. That address is called an IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Whenever you open a website, watch a video, or send a message, the device uses its IP address to say, hey, this request is coming from me. And the internet replies back to that same address. Let's take a simple example. Let's say you open a browser and type example.com. Behind the scene, your device sends a request. Then that request includes your IP address. The website server sees it and sends the data back. The response travels back to your IP address. Without IP address, the internet wouldn't know where to send anything back. Now, what does an IP address look like? Most IP addresses look something like this: 192.168.1.1. As an example, that's called an IP version 4 address. Four numbers separated by dots. Because the internet has grown so much, there's also a newer version called IPv6, which looks longer and more complex. But don't worry, you don't need to memorize these numbers. Your device and network handle all of that automatically. Now, there are two different types of IP address. One is public and one's private IP address. Let's take a look at the differences between those. Private IP address used inside your home or office network and given to your phone, laptop, or smart TV by your router. Public IP address assigned by your internet service provider is how the outside internet sees your network. So your device talks to your router with a private IP address, and your router talks to the world using public IP address. So is an IP address dangerous? An IP address is not a secret, but it's also not something to share carelessly. It can reveal your general location, like city or country, or it can be used by websites for analytics or security. But it cannot reveal your exact home address and cannot access your device by itself. Tools like VPNs exist to hide or change your public IP for privacy reasons. Why IP address matters? IP addresses are essential for browsing websites, streaming videos, online gaming, cloud apps, messaging, and emails. Basically, no IP address, no internet. It's one of the most fundamental building blocks of how the web works. Let's see the final format. An IP address may sound technical, but at its core, it's just an identity, a way for the internet to know who is asking and where to respond. Once you understand that, the internet suddenly feels a lot less mysterious. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, stay tuned. We'll keep breaking down tech one simple idea at a time.